Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing Animal Company.
Oh,
yep,
it stays like
it's
that.
right above me, Animal Company. So,
You're
yeah.
in it. Just say that.
So, basically, you click this arrow, if it's not already there. You click the arrow until you reach the backpack, and then you buy the backpack, and then you put on your back like this.
I don't.
Look, click the arrow until you reach the backpack. There.
Oh, I have money. Wait, how do I? Oh,
No.
how do I put it on my back?
You put by your back and then click A.
Wait, where's A? Okay.
Put it behind your back. Yep,
Okay.
you got it. And then you need a flashlight. Buy a flashlight. And then to activate that flashlight, press B. It's right above A.
Alright.
Alright. So in case we get too far from each other or one of us dies, you see this walkie-talkie or this watch? Put it up to your face. Hello. And then it'll make a beep, and then you start talking. It's a walkie-talkie.
Oh, I heard you. I heard you.
Yeah. And then we beat it by, if you what is it again? Oh, we beat it once we see that elevator thing. And also, if grab like any items you see, like bananas or Coke or Coca-Cola, or if you see what is it called again? Oh, like these Stan Lee looking cups, or if you see gold bars or anything that's just laying on the ground, grab it, and then you open up your bag like that by by pressing the button that's on top.
Oh.
Yeah, and then once you get all that stuff and you close it back up.
Okay.
Close it back up so nothing falls out. Once you're done and you have everything that you need, you come here, you pour it all here, pour all your stuff, and then click these buttons. And then it should close, and then once it opens again, then it gives you money. It'll show you the money you got right here. But yeah, also
Can't
you
you
can
steal it
close
from me?
this on people, and then the people explode. So, yeah.
Oh.
Well, let's get to it. Follow me. Alright, so what I'm about to show you is the red light, green light.
Oh no. I'm pretty
Hold
good
on.
at it.
I'm going to show you what happens if you move on red light. So let me just put all my stuff here, so when I die, or I might outrun it, but if just in case I don't make it, I'm leaving my stuff there. So follow me.
Okay.
It won't come after you if you don't move when it says red light. So follow me. You see that red light over there?
Yeah.
And then it turns green. Alright. Hold on. I'm gonna show you. Alright. Stay right there. Stay right
I
there.
don't even.
Watch.
What the heck? Oh. It's... Oh my god. That was what the heck?
Okay, I outran
Where are
it.
you?
You can outrun it. I'm over here. Alright. That's what happens if you move on red light. So don't move on red light. Alright, come on.
Okay. I'll try not to.
Alright, choose a way to go. That way or that way.
That way.
You're dead.
I'm dead.
you're so stupid. Ah, la, la, la.
You're not fan attack.
Bro, you need a flashlight in the backpack. Oh, by the way, don't
Oh.
step on these.
Shoot. I ain't got no more money.
Hold on. Here, just take my backpack.
Wait.
And flashlight.
No. No.
Take it. Take it.
No.
You grab it
No.
by pressing A. You grab it by
No.
pressing. Take it. You need it if you want money.
No.
No, go back to spawn real quick. Follow me. You see this grenade right here? Well, guess what? Look closely. Bye-bye.
Where are you?
That's why you don't play with toys. That's why you don't play with grenades, kids.
You are not Skibbity.
All right. Here, take my backpack and take my flashlight. I can buy it. I can buy.
Can you?
Look.
What the heck?
You don't
you
have
sure I can
enough
take your
riz. You don't have enough riz to buy it. So, yeah.
Don't say it like that.
No, you turn on your
the-
flashlight. Look how bright it is. It's not that bright, but look at mine.
Oh my gosh.
All right, let's go back. Don't move on red light.
Alright. Oh, there's blood. You don't move on red light.
Oh, by the way, that way you were saying, there's a monster there. Just don't turn on your flashlight. No matter how dark it is, just don't turn it on.
So they won't see me?
Yeah, the monster won't come after you if you're not in its zone, or if you don't turn on your flashlight. So let's go. Don't move on red light.
I'm just gonna stay pretty cautious.
All right, come on. All right, come on. Just jump. Oh, you scared me. Hold on.
What do you think I was? What the heck?
Okay, the monster's not there.
There's a monster. Oh my god. No.
Yep. That's what I was talking about. Ah! He's eating me! No! How does it still see me? Ah!
You're not caught with. Hey.
Go back to spawn, I died.
You died?
Yep.
I'm still waiting here.
Well, die.
No.
Do you want to get guided or not?
Wait, what?
Do you want to get guided or not?
Let me just wait for you.
I'm coming back.
Have your flashlight.
Oh, well, okay, you can keep it. You can keep it.
I think I was planning to. Wait, if you make noise, does it come at you? Or,
No.
does it have to see you?
It doesn't come at you. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Hello. Bro!
What?
Bro, what are you doing? monster's gonna come at you. He's coming
Oh my
after
God.
you.
Me? Not you.
Yep. You deserve it.
Bro. Okay. Oh, I didn't die.
Come on, he's stuck. Come on. Don't turn on your flashlight.
Shoot. You said so last. Oh, no. No, I'm scared. No.
He's not
So
stuck anymore.
I'm gonna at least scream one time.
Look.
I'm gonna just stop.
He's eating you.
Are you?
How about we go the other way
Oh.
around?
Okay.
Ooh, I got $1,000. You should have money too. You know what? Wait, where are you?
Are you good? Augie.
Hey, look what I have.
Hurry up!
Oh man, I'm out of bullets.
You didn't shoot me.
I just wasted my bullets. Cause now I have to buy another flare gun.
Wait, how much, can you, wait, where can you check your money balance?
It's on your watch. Hey, look at this.
Oh, $8. Nuh-uh.
Whee! Oh my god! Look where I almost landed. I almost landed on that mine.
Wait, can I throw this on it? Oh,
Yeah,
no.
sure.
I didn't even make it on it.
Hey, I dare you to pick up that flashlight.
Oh,
Pick up the flashlight.
I'll risk it. I want the flashlight.
Okay.
Okay, wait. No. I want to see if this works. I'm prepared to die. Okay.
It's already pressed. You're so stupid. You're so
And you're not
stupid. The mine was
You're not-
activated. The mine was activated.
know I didn't know that.
Come on, give me my gun real quick. Give me my gun.
Here. How do I let go?
You press the button again. Uh-oh.
No!
Uh-oh. I can't get off.
You're dead.
I'm gonna die if I get off. It's activated.
Just get off. Daddy.
I'm gonna die. See you later.
Your body is freaking.
Ooh, yacht. Bro, the camera made me face your yacht, bro.
What do you say?
All
Here,
right.
get your gun.
Give me a flashlight real quick. Give me a flashlight. Give me that. Give me that. Come here.
Oh, we're going now?
Get that
Don't
flashlight
explode.
off there.
See, I did it the first time.
No, you
but
did it
I'm not
wrong.
sure
You did it wrong. You pressed the thing when you got the flashlight. Just get the flashlight.
You get it.
No, you get it. It's my
get
gift
it.
to you. You know what? Let's just not even have a flashlight.
Let's just have a pistol. Gun.
There's no
Guys,
point of having
No
it.
ammo.
Bro,
know.
how are you this stupid, bro? You didn't even bring a backpack.
I don't have money for it. I have
Okay,
$8.
let's go the other way. Come here. Come here.
¿Qué jugando? Ya me quito. Bro,
I'm pretty sure
no,
there's a
don't get it.
monster in here.
Okay. Augie, I have to go.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh? My mom
Nuh-uh.
just told me. Sorry. Oh, shoot. My mom just told me. I'm
Did you-
sorry.
Bro, how did you dodge that?
I don't know. How did I? Okay. Well, I have to go.
Wait, hold on. Come here. Come
You
here.
can- Bro, if you throw
Did you
a
get anything?
grenade at
Did
me,
you get anything? Oh, here.
you have
Take
nothing.
this.
Oh,
Take it with both hands.
why?
So you can get some money.
Oh. Or are you just gonna steal it from me?
No. Well, I'll do it
Are you
first.
sure?
I'll do it first.
I bet Augie's gonna steal my money. Come on, hurry up. Come on.
Hey, let's go.
No, ya me va a quitar.
Hey,
Wait, how do I?
in order to get more money, you have to go all the way in. You have to go in. And
Don't
then
you
I'll
explode?
No, you don't. You don't. You actually get more
You
money.
told me.
No, you
You
do.
told me that you explode.
But I have to press the buttons because you can't. So get in and I'll press the buttons for you.
No, I'm scared.
Come on, come on. You want? It will give you $1,000, bro.
No, it won't.
It will. I
No,
played this
don't
game
press
more
any-
than you.
Go over there. Go in the safe zone.
Okay.
Go. Go in that circle.
Hey, you have to get
You do it
inside
with one.
if you want the
You do it with
money.
one. Oh. No, you do it with one. You do it with one. And
Nah,
then
you
I
get in
will
first.
press it.
You get in first.
No.
It won't give it to me.
You do it.
It has to be one person in the entire lobby who gets it.
No,
Do you want that
don't, Jimmy.
1,000
No.
paper?
No.
Do it.
No.
Just do it.
No.
You know what? You know what? You know what? I just did it. You know what? I'm getting the money now. Because I'm going to throw this coat down.
What is it?
There, now it's my money.
You have no. Oh. Rude.
Yep, it just gave me money. Alright, get in.
Okay, I'm scared.
Did you die? Oh, you did.
Okay.
Haha, you're so stupid! You're so stupid, you actually fell for it. Ah, la, la, la. Yeah!
I got money.
How much?
I got like 200. Or I don't.
You have
Less- under
164.
Yeah. I had $8.
It'll only take like 10 minutes.
All right. Wait.
Get
Hopefully
your
Mom-
supplies.
Oh,
There you go.
hopefully my mom doesn't get mad. Okay.
Dude, bruh, I can't. Oh, I have to.
I got 2 back.
Bro, it's not like.
can put.
It's not letting me put my backpack on. You know what?
You
I'm gonna
already
use
have
it
one on.
as. Look. You can use it as.
You already have one on.
Oh, I do. Oh, never mind. Oh. I'm gonna buy a flashlight. And then, oh man, I can't buy a crowbar.
Okay, I'll give you.
Wait for me! Hold on. Wait, the laser. Wait, hold on, right there. Wait, stop it! Stop it!
I'm here, bro.
Oh, hold on. Go in there.
Bro, if you stay on. Oh, wait, how does it open? No, I am not.
Hmm.
No. No. Okay.
Ah! That was accident. That wasn't me. That was my twin brother. Are you at spawn?
You killed yourself?
Answer me!
Answer me.
Alright, come on. Let's go.
You killed yourself?
No, I didn't.
That was
Alright, come on. Let's go.
that was funny. Can I at least put things in my book bag?
Let's go the other way instead. Let's go the other way after the first red light, green light. Let's go the other way instead of the first way that we went. Which is like straight forward.
Num num. Toilet paper.
Alright, let's go.
Ma, puedo estarme 5 más minutos. 5. Okay.
Come on, you
Cuéntalas.
monkey.
Está bien. Wait.
You know what? I'm gonna blind you.